What did you think?
Oh, tonight? Oh my God, it was so awesome. I'm so glad I came. And Eric and April, I wish you a lifetime of marital bliss. And keep other people out your business.
Aloha, good morning, and welcome to the I Do Redo 2022 of April and Eric. April, will you continue to have Eric as your husband and continue to live in this marriage?
I do.
Do you reaffirm your love for him? Will you love, honor, and cherish him in sickness and in health, for richer, for poorer,
I do.
for better, for worse, and forsaking all others?
I do.
Be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
I will.
All right. Eric, will you continue to have April as your wife and continue to live in this marriage?
I will.
Do you reaffirm your love for her, and will you love, honor, and cherish her in sickness and in health, for richer, for poorer, for better, for worse, and forsaking all others? Be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
I will.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to present to you once again Mr. and Mrs. Eric and April Campbell.